Another reasons why elephants are so intelligent. Check out their behavior. In first clip, elephants were trying to slide down the hill to hide their footsteps. And this elephant takes the hat, hides it as a joke, and then gives it back. Baby elephants are adorable. This one wants to play with his nanny and use its trunk to get attention. And the last one rushes into the river to rescue man from danger.